Dear students, today we will solve one important problems on the real number. Problem first, let P is a rational number and Q is a irrational number. Then we have to show that P plus Q and P into Q both are irrational numbers. Since P belongs to Q and Q belongs to R minus Q, irrational number can be written R minus Q because uh, we know that union of rational number and irrational number is a real number. So we R minus Q stand for we subtract all rational numbers from the real number. Then we will find set of irrational number. अपरिमेय संख्याओं का समुच्चय. So this P belongs to Q and Q belongs to R minus Q. Let it possible हम माने that P plus Q belongs to Q. We want to show that P plus Q belongs to irrational number, but we may consider, if possible, let P plus Q belongs to Q. P belongs to Q minus P belongs to Q because additive inverse Q. Why? Q is a field. It means for addition axioms it is a abelian group. So every element is invertible for this operation. So minus P will be exist. Now P plus Q plus minus Q. Closureness is true because Q plus is an additive abelian group. By associativity, P plus Q minus P. Then addition is commutative. Then we use this property. Again use associativity. Again use identity property. Then we find Q. So this Q belongs to small q belongs to Q. Since Q is a rational number, but after assumption we find that this Q belongs to rational number, which is a contradiction. Hence, our supposition was wrong, which is taken initially. Hence, P plus Q should not be rational number, it should be irrational number. Hence, it's error. Similarly, next that we want to show that P into Q is a irrational number. Here also we consider that P plus Q belongs to Q. Since P belongs to Q, P inverse, it means a multiplicative inverse exists in Q because Q into is abelian group for multiplication operation, and every non-zero element is an invertible. So initially it is given that this P is not equal to 0. So its multiplicative inverse exists. Now P inverse PQ using associativity for multiplicative operation, we find that Q belongs to Q. Small q belongs to Q, which is a contradiction to fact that Q is an irrational number. Hence, our supposition, which was taken initially, hence P into Q belongs to irrational number. Now, there is a list by which you will decide at home that these sets are bounded or bounded below unbounded supremum means in supremum infimum exist whether they are exist in this set or not. So these are the few sets. First, 1 upon 2n such that n belongs to Z where n is not equal to 0. Second, x such that x is equal to 2 power n. N belongs to natural number. N plus 3 such that n belongs to natural number. X is the set lying between minus 3 and 2. 3 power n plus n belongs to Z minus 1 power n such that n belongs to n. X such that minus 1 less than x less than or equal to 2. Also, uh, you can prove the further identity absolute difference of a minus b greater than or equal to absolute difference of a minus absolute difference of b. Also, absolute difference of a into b is equal to product of their separate absolute differences and others. Thank you.